Let's look at a bit more detail now. So we're going to look at what do the actual particles do in a reaction. So looking at the particles in reactions. Firstly, when a reaction happens, we look at all the chemicals that we start with, and we call these the reactants. And then we also look at the chemicals we get at the end of the change, and we call these the products. What is made at the end that's new? Because remember, a chemical change always makes something new. So in this first reaction, we've got some atoms of a particular element, and we're just calling it element A here. So atoms of element A, and they're combining with atoms of element B. And then we can see in the product over here, the A atom and the B atom have joined together and they've bonded and they've made a new molecule. So we've made a molecule, and because there's different atoms in here, this is now a compound that we've made. And we can call this compound 1 because it's just an imaginary one. But every compound that we actually make with chemicals, it has a proper name. So that's a nice simple reaction where we're combining two different atoms together. Some other reactions can be a bit more complicated. So in number 2 here, in our reactants, we can see we're starting with a molecule here. And we've got an A and a B atom, which are different. So we've got a compound. We could call this, and actually this is compound 1 from earlier. So that's a molecule of compound 1. And then we're adding that to another molecule of compound 2. And we can see this is made up of two different atoms again. It's made up of a C and a D atom. And then some sort of chemical change happens, and amazingly they swap over and we have some new products. We've now got an A atom and a C atom together. So we've made a new molecule. We've got molecule 3. We've got a new compound, compound 3. And then the B and the D atoms have joined together and we've made another new compound, which is also a molecule. So we've got a compound 4. So overall, chemical changes are when new chemicals are made, and they're called chemical reactions.